una Chelsea legendary player, abi?
Yes, sir.
And I don't tell una say, I want be Chelsea legendary coach, abi?
Yes, sir.
So, the way una want help me become Chelsea legendary coach, now to go play legendary nonsense, ba?
No, sir.
So, what you una play against Bayern last Tuesday? During my time, before person win us for Stamford Bridge, he go don suffer. Now, una want make it be for my hand as coach, when Stamford Bridge go turn to Stamford Rope. Sally drop this bulala for me, say, make I use am so that una go get sense. But I never gree use am unto say, I believe say una no need am. As now una woundness done too much. I don't remember say, Bible talk say, spare the rod and spoil the child. This one way today una go play better ball. Tomorrow una go play nonsense. I believe say this bulala go reset una back to una factory settings. Oya Barkley, aka nonsense player, come here. Now you vex me pass for that Bayern match. I swear ba, when you been there Everton, I think say you be better player.
But coach, I be better player.
Who asked you? So for your tiny mind, you think say you sabi play ball?
Yeah!
Shebi na you go carry penalty wey John Jinho suppose score for me. Go dey play crossbar challenge. Oh, you think say I don't forget that day, ba?
No! But coach,
Come on, shut up! The potential why I see for your body before don't turn to better liability. Or your small man Zion.
Sir?
Show face!
But Kochi, I be your special picking now.
You the Chris! Special fire!
Why you?
I like you when you play better ball, not mean say you be my pikin. I know who your mama be. I send you go play better ball. You go play actor and boss for page. Foolish child. Marcos Alonso, aka Mr. One Leg.
Coach, my name na Marcos Alonso, and I get 2 legs.
I no hear you. Come tell me for my ear, make I hear well.
I say,
Idiot. If I call you Mukos, your name na Mukos. If I say you get 1 leg, now 1 leg you get. Momo, never challenge me for your life again. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. At least you better pass some people like Barkley. We get 2 legs but without sense. Now so 21st century liabilities I carry full for my team. Hey, my captain, Azupolokota. What think that your name mean for Spanish again? It mean to lie down on green pastures, abi?
Haba, Kochi. Na Aspilique.
So even you they correct your koji. No wonder if I tell them to go do something for page, you go enter field go to teach them another thing. How to lie down on green pastures. Now for your win them score all the 3 goals.
Sir, no be me, na Christensen cause am.
I don't do anything. Azopolokota, go wait for me for my office. Now there I go table your case. Mascot 0. So you know say you not do anything, abi?
No be like that, Coach.
If to say you even play like the main mascot 0, we for no concede all those goals. You don't know when to slide. You don't know when to stand. You just run like say you dey contest from his word. I don't know how defender like you go soft pass boy Agidi. I swear inside you and Sawakamu, I don't know who useless pass.
But Coach, if you don't like me, why you can't play me for the match?
Kimo! See this boy, yo. So you get mind ask me question. I dey try give you opportunity to prove yourself. You dey ask me jam question. Useless boy. Rude guy.
Sir?
I be your mama cook jollof rice put for our post.
No, sir.
So what do you dey find for post when you no fit keep offside trap? I be you want on our new keeper.
No, sir.
Oya come here.
Sir, I get boy for your show.
No be waiting I ask you. No worry. I go help you bust the boy, eh?
Yeah.